What's up, YouTube? Hotel Night Favor. Hey, welcome to another reaction video today. We got Unnerving images from Minecraft Nether Ambient. Brought to you by Joseph Dick Esgram. Shout out to this man right here. We could be the description below to his channel. Go show him some love and affection, support, and let's do it, shall we? Maybe subscribe, like, comment, share. Alright guys, let's check it out. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Unnerving images from another aliens. Image borrowed from SCP Foundation or Unnerving images / Unnerving images. Deviant art, synthesis, and Google images. I am bad at giving credit, forgive me. Also I need to re-upload because I did not notice that one of the pictures had something inappropriate in it. Alright. Disclaimer. That's a disclaimer. Check it out. So how creepy this one gonna be, guys. That Prince of Horse. Ooh, that's creepy. Let's start one. Oh, I saw this one before. That one of my episodes on my own compilations on Unnerving images with music. Yeah, it's like the weather from Minecraft. Oh heck no, guys. Are you zooming in, bro? That is a crazy one. Oh, why is that stuff down below? The audio. Sultan Valley. Teletubbies. Sultan Valley. What forwards will be the previous ones? Y'all watch my backup series? I'm continuing on it very soon. Oh gosh. Oh, I edited though. Yeah. That's creepy. Okay, pulled out his face because they were identified. That's why I edited basically. Like Enderman from Minecraft. But art style. We want to talk about. He changed that. I think it did. Oh no. My Guys, I hate that one. Oh gosh, nah. Okay. It's creepy, guys. My heart's racing. Oh, that's terrifying. Oh my gosh. That's freak. That was creepy. I hate that noise. Oh, it's the Warp Forest. Rainbow? Obviously, it's going for. I put it in one of my videos. Oof. Ah. Oh my god! Alright, guys. I'm gonna do one more video. Alright, guys. Cube 0560. Quotation mark Cube 0560. Shout out to this man right here. Let's check it out. Minecraft understands what Unnerving images and use images with Pinterest and Google Images. Google Images. According to those who made these images, warn, do not watch this if you get scared easily. Viewers squishes of eyes. So yeah, guys, good luck. When I give a record, to watch. I beg you. Good luck. Let's check it out. A freak. It's weird. Oh. I got mute. Okay. Alright, guys. I'll cut that out. Alright. I put this in one of my videos. Oh yeah, I put this one in my videos too. That is terrifying. I hate that image so much. That is terrifying. I put it on my videos for y'all. You're scared. Another waste. Another waste. Oh. I forgot what it was called. That's another waste, yeah. I what the sound's called though. Cartoon cat. Why is it so stretched out? Pause. The image I'm talking about, not the creature. That sounded kind of crazy when I said it at first. Oh yeah. Nope, sir. On course. I might make a video about him, like, um, oh god, on a video, YouTube video, react to it, so y'all get a better hint of what on course is. And Siren Head too. If you want that, let me know down in the comments. Not good at explaining things, you know what I mean? Oh, that head is so creepy. Gosh. I don't know what this guy's name is. I gotta check up on him. I need to research about this man right here. He's really popular in these videos that we react to. I fix my mic. Oh, I said awake. But no. Taller version though. Just a what for us? Oh gosh. I put that my Windows SP but one. I put that on Windows SP. Go check that video out. Alright, we saw this one before. We're good. Oh yeah. I put this one in here too. Like sand, but look at bed. Two cat. My favorite. He's deadly. That's kind of terrifying because we're set in like a hospital. Has been you know, neglected for a long time. What? Oh yeah, we on this one. It's just way. Okay. Didn't get me. Oh. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed, subscribe, like, comment, share. And I'll see you guys later. It's Midnight Favorite signing out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys and good night.